My name's Peter Kemp and I come from the Greater London Authority. My project, well, our project, is to develop a automated development database that collects data on the delivery of developments across London. So that would include understanding when development has been granted planning permission, commenced and completed, so that we have a full picture of what's happening on the ground. The problem we're trying to solve is the fact that the data doesn't exist in a very robust format. So that in practice, a lot of the data that we have in London is slightly inconsistent, and this would enable us to resolve that issue, but actually the data costs us a lot to collect at the moment as well, so we'd like to address that issue as well, to reduce the cost and unreliability of the data. And then finally, the data that we do collect is often out of date by the time we receive it. So commencements and completions happen once every year, so it could be 18 months behind when something's completed before we know it's been completed. Success for this project will be a single database that has all of this data in it and works, so that in practice we can at any given moment tell you what's happening on the ground in London. First of all, we hope that other councils will take the opportunity to take up the same kind of approach to monitoring as we do, because a lot of councils don't in this country. And secondly, we hope that not only they'll be able to learn around the ways that we're looking for indicators of commencements and completions, but also they'll be able to teach us a little bit around other indicators and things that we don't yet know. We're hoping that the ultimate database that we develop can just be laid over any authority's system. So every single local authority in the UK operates a back office system that is a legacy system. So they've all got different nuances and different ways of holding their current planning and development data. So there's no consistency. So by overlaying the database that we're developing, because we're having to overlay it over 35 local planning authorities already, actually it would mean that they can overlay it straight over theirs without making any changes to their back office system, so get the benefits of data monitoring without actually having to do any work to achieve it.